Are you tired of drinking sugary beverages like soda and sweetened iced tea that leave you feeling sluggish and guilty? As a registered dietitian nutritionist, I'm here to show you how to make simple swaps in your drink choices that will leave you feeling energized and refreshed all day long. In this video, I share my top 5 tips for drinking healthier beverages that are delicious, nutrient-packed, that your body will thank you for, and aren't filled with chemicals and sugar. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is to choose water. Water makes up 60% of your body weight, and every system in your body depends on water to function. You need water to make everything in your body happen. And when you're dehydrated, your body can't carry out normal functions and begins to feel tired and drained. While there are many different kinds of beverages out there to quench your thirst, the best thing to drink regularly is plain water. I've had so many clients tell me that they don't drink water because they don't like the taste of it. So they drink iced tea, soda, coffee, and beer instead to stay hydrated. There's water in beer and soda, right? Yes, there is. But there are also a lot of added chemicals in all of those beverages that make it really difficult for the kidneys to filter through. Avoid or limit sugar-sweetened beverages such as regular soda, energy or sports drinks, and other sweetened drinks because they contain a lot of added sugar and artificial ingredients. If you really don't like the taste of water and rarely drink it, then try sparkling water or add lemon or fruit to your water for a little infusion. Over time, your taste buds will get used to drinking just plain water, and it'll be easier to say bye to sugary soda for good. Tip number 2 is to read nutrition labels. Use the nutrition facts label when shopping for beverages. Check and compare calories, amounts of added sugars, and servings per containers. Most importantly, pay attention to the serving size. Many beverages contain multiple servings per container, so be aware of how much you are consuming. Look for added sugars. Check the ingredients list for added sugars such as high fructose corn syrup or cane sugar. These ingredients can be highly inflammatory in the body. The best sweet drinks, in my opinion, are freshly prepared juices like carrot orange juice, carrot lemon juice, or green juice blends with apple. Raw, cold-pressed juice is packed with vitamins and minerals in high concentration and can be easily absorbed by your body since it's in a liquid bioavailable form. Tip number 3 is to cut coffee calories. Skip the whipped cream and chocolate or caramel drizzle. Go with low-fat milk and a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg for a lower calorie coffee. Instead of adding sugar or flavored syrups to your coffee, add natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, or drink your coffee black. Avoid artificial creamers because these are loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients, and choose natural creamers like almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk. Specialty coffee drinks are not the way to start off your morning. They are loaded with added sugar, saturated fats, and tons of calories. Stick with coffee with low-fat milk to avoid unnecessary weight gain from your morning beverage. People who are regular Starbucks drinkers typically have a lot of bad food cravings because they drink sugar-sweetened coffee every day, which makes them crave more sugar and sweet foods throughout the day. So, speaking of cravings, I have a free online class where I teach you how to get rid of unhealthy food cravings for good without giving up your favorite foods, even if you've struggled with unhealthy food cravings for many years. In the class, I teach you how to identify the root cause of your unhealthy food cravings and get rid of them for good. You'll also learn how to use my proven method to reduce and replace unhealthy food cravings so that you can get healthy again and lose weight quickly. So if you want to sign up for my free class on food cravings, the link to this class is in the description box below. Tip number 4 is keep water handy. Carry a clean, reusable water bottle in your bag to fill up throughout the day. Drinking enough water throughout the day to stay hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy skin and regulating body temperature. It can also bring a boost of energy and improve overall health. By bringing a reusable water bottle with us, we're reducing plastic waste and saving money by buying less bottled water. Carrying a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day will also remind you to drink more water throughout the day. And this is such a great lifestyle habit that is healthy for anyone trying to improve their health. Tip number 5 is jazz it up. Perk up your plain or sparkling water with lemon, lime, or orange slices. Maybe even try some fresh mint slices or a few fresh or frozen berries. The first step is to choose your favorite fruits and vegetables such as lemons, limes, cucumbers, strawberries, and oranges. Fill a large pitcher with filtered water and add the sliced fruits and vegetables to the water. Allow it to infuse for at least an hour before drinking to allow the flavors to fully develop. Serve the spa water over ice and enjoy. So to recap, we just talked about my top 5 tips for drinking healthier beverages that are delicious, nutrient-packed for your body, and they aren't filled with chemicals and added sugar. I created a handout with all of these tips listed in it, and all you have to do is click the link below in the description box if you want to download it right to your phone, and that way you have it later on in case you need these tips when you're trying to make healthier drink choices. You can also download it to your computer and print it out if necessary. My name is Teresa. I help men and women transform their bodies through simple diet and lifestyle changes so that they can lose weight, eat without feeling guilty, and fit into their favorite clothes again. If you would like to have your own personal nutritionist to help you reach your health and lifestyle goals, then you are welcome to connect with me for a free consult and talk with me about a struggle you're having with your diet and lifestyle habits. We can explore some options that might be helpful for you. And I have a special link that is for anyone watching this video. So to sign up for the free consult, you just go to missnutrition.com/schedule. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.